Hey guys, welcome again. And now we are going to see the other part where you can get free content. So just go on your Google and search for Canva. This is pretty much amazing source. Like I use it all the time, not only for Instagram but even for your marketing resources, personal level or business level, whatever it is. Like so, for example, you can see over here. Like I have got this report on cryptocurrencies over here. Then I also made an advertisement for email marketing. Then kind of this was for other guy, and then this is for one of the stories that I posted. Like I can show you if you want. So like there was a girl who wrote a story before she died, like about life and what she learned and kind of stuff. So I just pretty easily made this like advice on how to live from a dying 27-year-old. Read below, it will make you a day guaranteed and credit uplift. So this was an Instagram post. It was not for me, it was for one of those accounts that I manage. Then there was one more post over here where I promoted uh, a webinar, how to build an email business. So this was also from Canva. So call your own shots, quit your day job, and build your own email marketing empire. Free webinar, link in bio. Isn't that amazing? Like the quality of the picture and all those effects that you can do, the logos you can enter. Like this is like pre-made template. I just changed this part. Like the whole part over here you can see. This is like all custom made. So I will show you where to go and then how to make the codes and kind of stuff. So let's go onto home page, and then on home page you need to go and search for find templates. Once you go for find templates, you're gonna go scroll down, search for social graphics, click on that, and then it depends on what forum you want to post. So these are all kind of forums where you want to post. So currently I'm teaching you Instagram, so click on Instagram and see this is best dad ever, which I converted into how to live. So then you can even do this pick of the day, change the background picture you want, and then you can do the pick of the day. Yeah, and then just open whatever you want and write whatever you want. So like for example, just open this and then start editing. That's what I can say. Like codes, so like maybe what we can say. Suggest me a good code. Let me think of a good code. How about this? And then you change the font size, you change the color, whatever you want. Like pretty much amazing stuff you can do. So I don't want welcome, so you can get rid of that. And then maybe basically you understand what I'm doing, right? Like twist it anyhow you want, do it whatever you want. Like you want over just like see for example if you are in maybe what I can say, in dating niche, where you want to promote dating products, like I mean dating advice and kind of stuff, you can use this. But you can see, if you see Canva on it, like Canva, these are paid versions. So one which we were using previously, it was a free version. Like you can see over here, it's free. If you see a dollar sign, it's paid version. So make sure you use paid version or free version. It depends on you. So like pretty much amazing. But basically, what you want, like until today, I have used all those free versions and they were amazing. So even if I had like tomorrow there comes a need where I would like to use a paid version, I would definitely pay for it because that's the value they provide, and it's pretty much amazing. So like this is not bad. Like look at this. Like you can, this is like exploring Alberta map, whatever it is. Like you can just change it and write something else, change this picture kind of stuff. Pretty much amazing. So that's what Canva is, and then when you're done whatever you want to edit, and then the next part is you can either share, I will suggest download it and then upload it instead of sharing. It depends on you guys, because when you share, sometimes Canva shares its own link and kind of stuff, so I would prefer download. And that's it for the free content. Next video is pretty much amazing, so stay tuned.